Hey, this is Paul from MobileTrans Wondershare, and what we're going to do today is we're going to have a look at the brand new HomePod Mini. If you haven't subscribed already to MobileTrans, then why not go ahead and subscribe, and then that means you won't miss out on any of the latest tech reviews or any of the latest tech tips. Lots of people have spoken about the HomePod Mini, and now the HomePod Mini is finally out. It was announced a couple of weeks ago, and since its announcement, a lot of people have been talking about it, and a lot of people want to see what the HomePod Mini is all about. So that is what we are going to do in this video. The original HomePod that came out in 2018, and people have been always asking for something which was a little bit cheaper and a little bit smaller, and at the Apple event, Apple finally announced that little bit cheaper and that little bit smaller device with the HomePod Mini. The HomePod Mini can do a lot of what the original HomePod can do, but it just does it at a smaller price, and it just does it in a smaller speaker. We'll talk about what you get in the box first of all when you unbox this HomePod Mini. So you get the HomePod Mini, of course, which has a USB-C cable coming out the back of it, and then you get that USB-C charging brick as well. Once you get that out of the way, you then can set up the HomePod Mini, and it's really straightforward to do that. And then you get to realize how small the HomePod Mini is. It is only about 3 inches high, which is maybe 2 times smaller than what the original HomePod was. What this HomePod can do though is sound very, very good for the size of it. You can put it anywhere in your house, in your room, in your apartment, and it will really stand out in terms of sound, but it won't stand out in terms of size and being big or being clunky, because it fits in really nicely pretty much anywhere you want to put it. You can get this HomePod in 2 different colors. You can get it in white and you can get it in black, and I just think here at MobileTrans, black is the color that we wanted to go for, so it could fit in nice and smoothly into anywhere that we wanted to put it. It has a really small display on top of the HomePod Mini, and I can't figure out whether that's glass or plastic just yet, but whatever it is, it looks nice. So it lights up really nicely when you go and speak to the HomePod and you need it to do something, and it's also really quick as well, and that's got a little bit better now on the HomePod Mini, where Siri is just a little bit quicker. For example, we can say, "Hey Siri, what's the time?" and it will say,
"It's 13:56.
There we go, 13:56. So it's nice and quick and a bit quicker than anything else. The price of the HomePod is £99, $99, depending where you live, and I think it is a really reasonable price for what you get with the new HomePod Mini. It gives you great sound. It gives you access to Siri. It is really nice. If you pick it up and you can feel it, it has this mesh that goes around the side of the HomePod, and it makes it feel very expensive, more expensive than £99. A really nice thing is the packaging that this HomePod comes in. So Apple usually give you this packaging which is just a little bit white, a little bit boring, and there's not much going on in it, but here it looks a little bit more exciting. You can see the word Mini there, and it looks like it's all moving with sound, and that is something that this HomePod is kind of about. It's a little bit exciting. It's one of Apple's more exciting products. You now have a choice of what small speaker you want to pick up. You can pick up one of the Google speakers, you can pick up the HomePod Mini, you can pick up one of the Amazon speakers as well. So now you have a little bit more choice, and I think that this speaker, even though Siri isn't amazing, I think it's probably better than any of the other speakers. There we go, that is what the HomePod Mini is all about. And if you enjoyed this video, then why not go ahead and give it a like, and also subscribe to the channel as well. That way, that means you won't miss any of our new tech unboxings and tech reviews or any of the latest tech tips. But we will see you on the next video.